guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's look, we're going all blue. No, I'm not naked. I have like a booktube black t-shirt on here. So yeah, enjoy it, you guys. Like, had fun creating this look. So yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy this video, and I hope you will continue to watch and recreate it and tag me on the pictures that you recreate this look with. I normally first go in with my NYX base. The first color that I go in with is this blue here, this one. To blend out this blue that you see that I packed on, I then go in with this lighter blue, this one. To smoke it up or darken the outer part, I go in with my black eyeshadow from my dupe Jaclyn Hill palette, this black one, this here. Just pack it on there, and I just cover out my crease with it again. Half of my crease, like I covered half, like till here. Then I stop. After packing it on like that, I then go back with my blending brush and I blend. Go back with the blue brush that I use for my blue, and I blend it out here. I just blend all those colors together. What's next is I cut my crease. So to cut my crease, I'm not going to use my base. Instead, I'm going to use my LA Go Pro concealer in the shade Cool Tan. I bought this concealer and the foundation that I'm going to use today from a lady on Instagram called Camilla _afro_shop. I'll put her link down below, and if you're in Russia and you want foundations, then she might probably have them for you. Then I look up to find where my crease is, then I curl till there. Side to blend out my cut crease, I then go back to my black and I put that at the corner. I'm done with that one. Go back to my dupe Jaclyn Hill palette, to this blue here, and I put that next to that black to create a transition or a gradient. And then I just stack that on and I blend it into the black like that, just to create that smooth transition between the two colors. From that color, then I go in with my Colourpop pressed eyeshadow in the shade Liar Liar, and I put that one in my inner corner. I just ever so lightly, I just pack it on top of that navy color, just a tad. I have this Essence Metal Art lip and eyeliner in the shade Still the Show. It's not as silver as it should be, but I take it and I line it on top of my crease there, like that. I then take this angled, it's an eyebrow brush, but this angled brush, I take it and then I go back to my Colourpop pressed eyeshadow, and then I just go back to where I placed that essence liner, and I just pack this. As you can see, this eye is bigger than this eye. I'm just going to increase the crease in eyeliner to line and do that wing at the end. This is the Kiki eyeliner, and then I'll be back with my foundation done. I'll be using my new one, my Maybelline Fit Me matte polish foundation in the shade Coconut. I'm in the shade Coconut. I've put on my lashes, as you can see, and I've put on some mascara. Then now going to do my lower lash line. I will line my waterline with my Essence eyeliner pencil in the shade Black. And then after lining my waterline, I will then go back to this blue again, and I'll just press it on my waterline. Blue color, and I just blend that out. Lower lash mascara. See, forgetting things. Going with my L'Oreal Paradise Ecstatic mascara. Now going in with my highlighter. I'm going in with my NYX highlighter. I'll use my Essence lipstick in the shade number 6. It's a long lasting lipstick in the shade number 6. Because I'm in the mood for a glossy lip, I'm not going to keep it like this. I'm gonna go in with my NYX Lingerie Shimmer in the shade Euro Trash, and I'm just gonna put this in the center of my lips. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I always say, may the good Lord ever stay blessing you.